When plumbing problems strike in the Bay Area, Washington Rooter and Plumbing is your go-to expert for reliable solutions. Whether it's stubborn sewer drain cleaning, pesky water leak repair, or urgent toilet repair, we've got you covered with unparalleled expertise and precision. No more stressing over pipe repair, no hot water or low water pressure. We're the drain cleaning pros ready to tackle it all. From swift resolutions to expert advice, we're your trusted partners for all things plumbing. Don't let plumbing woes hold you back. Visit us online today for exceptional service.